I just discovered Christine Byer Beauty this last week. About 2 weeks ago, a friend had told me that age had taken all my advantages away, and I was no longer a stunning woman. I never thought of myself as even attractive, so it hurts to be told after the fact that my friends once considered me stunningly attractive. This did not sit well. So, I decided to wander through the treasure chest of YouTube, and the very first video was our lovely Christine. So, I did my research and am still waiting for my devices and products to arrive. I have followed the videos for 4 days now, and even only using my fingers, I can already see a massive difference. My neck responded extremely well. I no longer have the butt pucker at the base of my neck. Seriously, if I looked in a mirror with even a minor downward trajectory, and where most people have a collarbone, the sag in my neck converged and it looked all the world like, well, and my jowls have decreased a great deal. A lot of this will be swelling from the manipulation and getting circulation back into the tissues, but with the few days and no devices or product, I am still so amazed. This is all down to the transference of knowledge and Christine's obvious passion for aesthetics. I am sure I will have a favorite product or device soon, but for now I am following the videos, drinking extra water, and enjoying the change. Probably easier to see improvement when you start with so much historical neglect. So, for me, right now, I am romancing the videos and watching for a delivery.